If you suspect you have blocked fallopian tubes, an HSG test is one of the most reliable methods of finding out whether you're not conceiving due to tubal infertility. An HSG test is also known as a hysterosalpingogram. It's basically a form of X-ray procedure carried out to find out if a woman has blocked fallopian tubes. It can also be used to examine the formation of the uterine cavity. Although the HSG is not a major surgical procedure, you need to ensure that you're not pregnant before having the test. So the best time to have the test is after menstruation but before ovulation. It takes about 90 minutes and the doctor, usually a gynecologist or radiologist, will open up your vagina with a speculum, then place a cannula, that's a small tube, into the cervical opening. This will allow the doctor to fill the uterus with a radioactive fluid containing iodine, and this fluid will also enter the fallopian tubes. The movement of the fluid is visible through the X-ray, and the doctor will be able to see whether the fluid comes out of the ends of the fallopian tubes in order to determine whether they're open or blocked. Also, any variations in the size and shape of the uterus can be detected by the HSG test. The side effects of an HSG include spotting or light bleeding for a few days after the test, uterine cramps and spasms, and there's a very small risk of contracting infections or pelvic inflammatory disease from the test. On rare occasions, the fallopian tubes have had to be surgically removed because of irreparable damage done to them during the HSG test. Two other concerns about an HSG would include worries about exposure to radiation or allergic reactions to the iodine solution. They're both valid concerns which need to be raised with your healthcare provider. I'd like to share with you a free report on how to get pregnant with blocked fallopian tubes. It's based on a technique used in traditional Chinese medicine that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Best of all, it requires no drugs, no surgery, and has no side effects. You can get your copy at www.blockedfallopiantubes.com.